To create the illusion of a life-size image, puppeteers sometimes use a light source to enlarge an image of a puppet projected on a screen or a wall. Suppose the distance between the light source L and the puppet is 24 inches. So I'm going to label that as 24 inches right here. And I want to know what the distance from P to P prime should be. So when you place the puppet in front of the screen, it creates a puppet that's 49.5 inches tall from a 9-inch puppet. Well, what I'm going to look at here is I've got similar triangles. I'm looking at my altitudes, aren't I? But I'm going to look at my similar triangles here. So I'm going to set up a proportion. I want to find the distance from the light source to the wall, because that's my big triangle. So I'm looking at from L to P primed. I'm going to call that Y. Y is to, well, the distance to the light source, so it'll be 24 inches. Now I'll compare that to the heights of the puppet. So the height of the puppet is 49.5 inches. It's a little thin here. I'm going to make that a little thicker. Okay. And we know the height of the original puppet was 9 inches. Well, to solve for y, multiply each side by 24. So I'll use my calculator here. I'm going to say 49.5 times 24 divided by 9. Well, I can reduce that a little bit, can't I? Because I know 3 goes into both 24 and 9. So divide by 3, and that'll give me 3. Divide by 3, that'll give me 8. So I'm going to take 49.85 times 8 divided by 3. So let's clear this out. So 49.5 times 8 divided by 3. That'll be 132 inches. Now, that is not the answer to my question. Please pay attention to that. That is the shape from the light source to the wall. That's LP primed. You weren't asked that here, were you? You were supposed to find P to P primed. Well, P to P primed, I'm going to take the whole distance, which is 132 inches. I'm going to subtract off my original distance from L to P, which is 24 inches. So the distance from the puppet to the wall should be 108 inches. You should put that screen 108 inches from your puppet so it has that height.